Ramirez and Rummel. Right in his 22, Ramirez. Sammy. Boy, Sammy explodes off the line. Man, he's gone. Look at this lap. Whoa. Sammy Ramirez. What a ride. White flag. Ramirez and Rummel. That's Rummel Maxwell. Sammy for the win. Max is second. That was an explosion out of the gate, and he kept it up the whole way.